about, or you have heard about our Big Four agenda, starting from food security. That is an opportunity in agro-processing and agrochemicals where people can do business in our country. In terms of the second pillar, that is affordable housing, we also have acute shortages of houses in Kenya. Therefore, those of you from here who would like to invest in affordable housing, there is an opportunity in our country. As we have said, this mission involves visit to various cities. It started in Kinshasa. We are now here. And after this, we'll go to Goma. And after Goma, we'll go to Bujumai. And the delegation accompanying us, they are from various sectors, as Polycarp has pointed out. And it is because we want to do serious business with the Congolese people. We also want the people of Congo to find out the opportunities available in Kenya. DRC is the 6th largest market of Kenyan products. And we believe there is still opportunities for more. And my view is that DRC also should explore what opportunities are there in Nairobi or in Kenya so that you can start exporting the product. To facilitate trade between our countries, as you are aware, we started direct flights from Nairobi to Goma last month. And we were doing, previously we started with 2 flights. Right now, the 3rd flight has been introduced. And we are looking forward to having daily flights from Nairobi to Goma, daily flights from Nairobi to Lubumbashi, daily flights from Nairobi to Kinshasa. Because that tells you there is a lot of trade between our 2 countries going by the volume, the number of flights which are taking place between our 2 countries. I wish to assure you that the government of Kenya has taken steps to improve the environment for doing business by putting in place mechanisms of ease of doing business so that we can make it easier for the people of Congo who want to do business to come and do business in Nairobi. We also have acute shortages of houses in Kenya. Therefore, those of you from here who would like to invest in affordable housing, there is an opportunity in our country. In terms of industrialization, and this is a vision which is here across Africa, the vision, the African to be industrialized by 2060. We also, in Kenya, have a number of products we import. It is an opportunity for the Congolese who may want to set up manufacturing plants, come to Kenya, and our doors are very, very, very wide open for you. Kenya is keen to enhance trade relations through COMESA, tripartite, and African Free Continental Trade Area. And as I've said, we are pleased to welcome DRC into the East African community because by so doing, we'll be having a market of more than 200 million people within the East African region. That is a market, and I will be asking the people of DRC and the people of Kenya to look at that opportunity which is coming, having a market of more than 200, in fact, almost 300 million, that is across all East African countries. That is an opportunity. Kenya has already signed the African Continental Free Trade Agreement. We were the 2nd country to sign it, and I believe once DRC also signs it, that will be a bigger market, the whole of Africa, where you can do business, you can set up an enterprise here, you supply West Africa, you supply East Africa, you supply North Africa, you supply South Africa. The opportunities between the 2 countries, I can say, yeah, enormous.
The governments don't trade. The governments don't do any business together to be able to show that we have a strong relationship. They agree that the basis for a sustainable and strong relationship is trade, and that we must strengthen trade between our 2 countries as to reflect their vision, that's what the basis for the strong relationship. Business must be financed. It can just be wishful thinking, but unless you have a strong financial partner, you cannot go into good business. And that is how Equity Bank, our leading bank from Kenya, was roped in to ensure that the businessmen coming from Kenya, and they come here and identify opportunities, they will be able to be financed to make sure that those dreams come true. Now, Kenyan businessmen are not coming here to do business by themselves. They are coming to partner with Congolese partners here. So the bank is also going to finance the Congolese businessmen, just as they're going to finance the Kenyan businessmen. And we believe that with strong trade ties, the relationships between our two countries are going to be very strong.
We come to seek partnership. We come to embrace you, to give you a normal African hug, and to shake hands as equal partners. So we expect that there'll be a lot of business from DRC coming to Kenya, and a lot of Kenyan business coming to DRC, especially in Lubumbashi, Your Excellency, Deputy Governor. We are very honored by both governments. So we say a very big thank you to the government, to your government, Your Excellency, and the government of Kenya, because you have prefected us. You have held our hands. Without you, this was never going to be possible. Business people, yes, we are good, but we are not that good. We deserve our governments to come together and help us. But we are joined at the hip by one battle. This battle is a battle all over the world. The battle against poverty, the battle against hunger, the battle against poor shelter or lack of shelter for our people, the battle against disease, the battle against ignorance, the battle against climate change that is transforming our lives, and the battle against poverty or social protection. That's really the battles that we battle, that we come here. The delegation that has come from Nairobi comprises people with real solutions to these problems I have just counted. We have in this delegation people from manufacturing sector, people from the services sector in all its entirety, people in food and agriculture, people in education, people in energy, people in environment, people in health, people in the real estate, people in infrastructure. There are very many other technical services, engineers, architects, who are in this delegation, who are looking for partners, not just to do business in DRC, but they are looking to partner with you back in Nairobi, Mombasa, Kisumu, and Nakuru in our country. It is clear that DRC is on the road to success. They say the road to success is always under construction. And it's obvious to us that Congo is under construction, that it is good morning. It is a very good morning in Congo. And we, from the Equity Group Holdings, want to wake up with Congo. We want to come and add value, create value, and work in this country together. And the businessmen who are meeting here, it is our hope from this mission that they'll go home and go back to their desks and their businesses with a new pair of eyes, that they will look at the same thing with a very fresh pair of eyes and see a very different view. And that is our hope.
Cette démarche avec des fonds de garantie, surtout pour les entrepreneurs, économiques, surtout pour sa deuxième phase de Katanga. Je dis et je vous.
Mr. Deputy Governor, yesterday on a Sunday, we took a trip to a neighborhood, and we, from the Equity Group Holdings, on the businessmen who are meeting here, it is our hope from this mission that they will with a very fresh pair of eyes and see the group structure of Equity Group. We have run and managed by the country. So they, Honorable Deputy Governor, Executive Management and business people, we are also accompanied.
Very much. God bless you. God bless Kenya. God bless DRC.
De redonner la dignité et d'étendre les opportunités. dans l'entrepreneuriat, investir dans des gens qui sont très brillants, très intelligents, mais dont 1998 ou 98, avec plus de 17 000 personnes formées, avec plus de 70%, ça a été les critères de cette année. Nous avons fait les examens et je suis fier de vous dire que c'est l'avenir de demain. Chaque année, nous allons commencer à prendre des